In this video, I will be discussing what a lysosome is and the functions of what the lysosome does. So essentially, here is a picture of a lysosome. It is really similar to a vesicle. In fact, it is a vesicle, membrane-bound vesicle found in animal cells. It's produced by the Golgi apparatus, and all of the enzymes and things located inside the lysosome. The inside of the lysosome is very acidic, which means it has a very low pH. And it contains enzymes that digest molecules, and they are called lytic enzymes. And so what it does is it essentially recycles the waste and gets rid of the stuff that the cell doesn't need. So, for example, let me just erase this. And so, for example, the lysosome, when it engulfs something, let's pretend that's the lysosome, and then it engulfs some waste in here. This is then called there actually is no name for it, but people refer to it as a phagosome, which means the lysosome engulfs wastes. And so essentially it breaks down waste, and then recycles the things that it broke down. It is actually really important in the process of apoptosis, which is also known as programmed cell death. It's essentially just cell suicide. The cell is damaged or cannot function properly, and it it sacrifices itself for the greater good, I guess, is how you could think of it. Let me clear this. And so lysosomes are actually really important in getting rid of things. So as you can imagine, if something goes wrong, diseases can occur. So as a result, a disease associated with lysosomes is Tay-Sachs. And so it's essentially a nervous disorder, and some symptoms are loss of vision, deafness, muscle stiffness. Eventually you become paralyzed. And so essentially what happens is the lysosomes don't break down fat. Fats or lipids. And as a result, it accumulates in the brain and then compresses everything and results in damage to tissues.